I can't quit yawning.
What do I know? What do I know? That which doesn't kill just makes things grow.
Hi Gawkers, it's Thursday, April 29th. What's in the news today? Out of an Australian website, a news website, Al-Qaeda is having difficulty recruiting new suicide bombers. What the problem is, the training course is real easy. I hear the final is a bitch, but I don't know how you feel about that. It doesn't hurt my feelings at all. I wish they'd all sign up and practice one time. Facebook is, well, FB is effed up. If you've been on Facebook today, things are appearing and disappearing, and who knows what's going on over there. It's frustrating. I guess we just all tweet until Facebook gets back in gear. Oh, for my AC buddies over there at AssociatedContent.com, they never have paid non-U.S. taxpayers upfront payments, but they've always let you participate in the monthly bonus because they call it a bonus. Apparently, tax laws have caught up with them, and they're going to have to cut that program out for non-U.S. taxpayers. So all you non-U.S. citizens and those of you not paying taxes in the U.S., AC won't be paying you anymore. Sorry about that. Should cut down on all that funky spelling where you're using all those extra U's in your words, though. Totally a waste of a good letter. Oh, Jamie Oliver, I admire you for trying to improve things, but don't get crazy. Take baby steps. Any improvement in our school food program is an improvement, so calm down and take baby steps. You don't have to go all organic all at once. That's all I got for Thursday. I'm a little tired. I'm going to go take a nap, I think. I don't know. I got some laundry to do. I got some house to clean. No rest for the wicked. Y'all stay safe. We'll talk to you soon.